Hey guys, welcome back to Vigoroso, DC, and right now we are at Arlington National Cemetery. And in this video, I just want to show you a couple spots in the cemetery that are pretty scenic. Nothing in particular, just to get a good general vibe of how beautiful this place is. The first place I'd like to show you is an overlook that is behind the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Now, if you've seen my other videos where we talked about the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, you'll remember that in the early days, there was no guard, and people liked to come down there to picnic because they thought it was such a great view. So I would like to show you that view itself. It is just a bit down from the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, so basically you walk down some steps and you're kind of at a lower angle, but from there it has a great view of the cemetery below. And I also want to show you a walk from Roosevelt Avenue. When you go through security at the visitor center and you come out, you're most likely going to walk down Roosevelt Avenue. This is the main pathway. So I want to show you some footage of walking this avenue, going the reverse direction, going back to the visitor center. So let's get started. There's the Washington Monument in the background. And off in the distance, behind it, is the Capitol building and the Jefferson Memorial. They may be hard to see, but they're there. And that at the very top is the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier and the Memorial Amphitheater. Well guys, thanks for joining me here at Arlington National Cemetery. As I tell my students, this is my favorite place to come out of all the places we go on a student tour because it is so calm and peaceful and beautiful. And I hope that you truly got a sense of that in this video. But thanks again. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. This is Vigoroso, off to the next cool spot. Take care, guys.